Some pastors and prophets need to be jailed. Hello, beautiful people. I greet you all according to your time. Some pastors they for that country, prophets. Some pastors they need to be jailed for real. Maybe because the day country where law not day, or they feel that they feel just come out, say anything and they will go free for it. That is why a lot of Nigeria pastors, prophets, they misbehave anyhow because they know say that country is lawless country. This man one and so in name na Good Hearts. To start with the Good Heart, I don't even know whether the man even get the good heart. Some months ago, this man come out on social media and invite say, Oga, if you have 3 cars and your pastor is trekking without a car and you are very comfortable, do not worry, your days are numbered. That was January, 4 months ago, where this man write this write up on his Facebook, which I haven't talked about the video. Now the man don't still come out again. I know say the story of Ada Jesus, how Dumeje in the Bosque they refuse and everything. The man don't come out. I know say one thing is that I don't know why pastors they challenge themselves, and I don't know who they want prove their power to, or their whether than miracle to for real. I keep saying it. If all these pastors, prophets that call themselves their pastors, their prophet, if they really have that miracle that they are showing on social media, on their church, why may they prove it? By proving it, may they go hospital. In Nigeria, hospital, there is a lot of sickness. People they lie on bed. May they go there. May they go prove their power. May they go prove say yes, they will get the miracle. Not be the miracle where they perform for inside church. That one not be miracle. Like this man, I don't call Dumeje Arts. As I call Dumeje Arts, where before I go further, my people, may I read waiting the pastor talk. He said, if Dumeje said he is a prophet or he has spiritual power, let me and him meet at the National Stadium in Abuja on May 31st, 2021 by 12 noon to call down rain and let Nigeria see a real prophet and a fake prophet. All the media's eyes in Nigeria will be present at the event. If any of us fail to call down rain, our churches should be closed down. I want everywhere, meaning Nigeria, to support this proof of power. Now be waiting the pastor right. This pastor is just looking for a fame and a crowd. Una see where the pastor said that should be closed down, the churches should be closed down if any of them fail. That means that to show that their churches, your own church is just for business. If really this man have power, or I'm not siding Dumeje or any other pastors in Nigeria, but according to this write-up, if the guy really have power, as he claimed that he and Dumeje they should meet at Abuja Stadium. Nigeria have been the richest, no, sorry guys, the poorest country in the whole world. Why they not use that power to make sure that things is okay? Nigeria is one of the insecurity. There's no security. There's nothing that is working in that country. And all these pastors, they will be coming online they will be challenging themselves. Habba, my people. Habba. That's to show that churches in Nigeria, many of them is for business. Many of them is for business. The only thing that they know how to do is just to perform that miracle where they perform for inside their church. Because now already that inside their church, you will see cripple, it will walk. You will see deaf, it will hear. You will see blind, it will see. It's only inside their church all those miracles is happening. Why? If we will say all those power that they are performing inside their church, why then not go to Nigeria hospital and perform that the same miracles, the same power? Like this very pastor now is just looking for a fame. He will know that a lot of people will come after him. That write-up that he write on his Facebook. But my people, these our Nigeria pastors and prophets, many of them, they are not really the prophet that they call themselves or the pastors that they call themselves. Many of them, they are just there for the business. We all know that that country had how to survive it. That is why there are many of them, they are doing it. Just that it's so painful that the way they are deceiving the gullible one is so devastated for me. And then the pastor said again, he said, with Ada Jesus and Domeje Saga, you should know now that Domeje is not a prophet and has no spiritual power from anywhere. All those things he called miracles in his church are all staged and arranged to make him appear powerful. Domeje is not a prophet, but a male entertainer and a singer. Ada Jesus was brought to him for a prayer, and when he saw the critical nature of the case, faith left him and he started ranting stupidity. Come to think of it, what did Ada Jesus really say about you that is offense? Just because she observed that your miracle are staged and you pick offense. Young man, change your way before it will be too late. And be waiting in right again. My people, when I see waiting I dey talk, all these pastors, they know that all those miracles they are doing inside their church na arranging. Now many of them they do. Why be say only inside their church? My people, can't you now they ask questions? If we really say yes, all these pastors, all these prophets, they will get that power where they claim say they get. Jesus not stay one place. Why they not they go from church or from hospital to hospital? Now know how many people wey dey Naija hospital wey dey sick. Why they not go there make they go perform that miracle? But they'll come online, social media, come dey rant. Say now so they get power, make they challenge themselves. They'll come they challenge themselves. Then themselves, they still know say na regime dem still dey do. Una see wey im own colleagues even say na arrange to show that im sef still dey do am. I wish im sef no dey do am if we no even know say other people, other churches they are still doing it. My people, una need to be very careful about this our Nigeria churches. This our Nigeria church. Start praying at home. Gather your family. Know where you call on God, where God not dey appear to person. God not dey stay building. You know dey stay one building. Anywhere where you are or where you dey, pray to your God. God go answer you. Just that some gullible people, the gullible ones, if you dey tell them, they feel that you are after burden of Christ, this and that. No, just that people will keep saying it. We will keep saying it till wey una eyes go open. Say all these our Nigeria pastors, prophet or not prophet, they are doing it for business, how to survive. That is why many of them they are doing it. Well, my wonderful people, be wise and be focused. Thank you guys, and remain blessed. I see you guys on my next video. Bye bye, and don't forget to share this video as well. God bless you guys.